Dijous, man.
This is Jokers 2010.
And this is the fucking basketball trick shot. Let's do it.
Woo!
JokersPerfect.
This is the impossible trick shot. This is the half-field trick shot. Let's go!
This is the X trick shot, man.
This is the backward throw trick shot. This is the headshot trick shot.
Què passa, nanos? Aquí tenim un personatge molt especial per nosaltres, en Sergio. Què tal, Sergio? Com estàs?
Good. The weather is fantastic. Yeah, you know, just chilling here with the homies.
Exacte, m'hi pot donar puta merda. A veure, jo et faré unes quantes preguntes, si et sembla bé.
What?
This is the Rosca trick shot. Let's do it.
This is how a nigga does a mate trick shot. Bring it up.
And this is how the Bills do the mate trick shot. Woo! Sergio, com portes la fama de dir-te Sergio? Perquè els nostres fans saben que Sergio és un estil de vida.
You know, her ass is so beautiful. You know, all the girls here are amazing. I love women, Catalan women. Just, it's a bright, shining light in my...
Jo no ho hauria expressat millor, mare meva. Quines paraules més apostoflants.
This is the game-to-game trick shot. This is the nigga Superman trick shot.
En cas de guerra nuclear, Sergio, què és el primer que salvaries del món?
Oh man, this is a really simple question. I would say all the beaches in town, all the Catalan women, my soul, my women. I would save all of them first.
This is the fucking Star Wars trick shot. Let's do it. Woo!
Make the ground shake.
Imagina que hi hagués un apocalipsis zombi, ¿vale? I llavors tu haguessis d'escollir entre fugir de la civilització i rebentar tots els zombis possibles o convertir-te en el puto rei zombi. Què faries?
Oh, all the bitches would want me as the king, so you know, I would probably be the king of all the bitches.
Genial entrevista, tio. Que et follin.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Press like, and then make sure you watch our last video. And here is our secret video. Ovic, go for the pound.
Pound it!
Biddy, go for the knockout. Knockout! And Sergio, it's time to dance.
De las pitas, pita del llamerijumbo. De las pitas, pita.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Click like to subscribe, and then click up here. Thank you for watching our video. Click like, and make sure you check out our last video. Look up here for the putas, hostia, no. Thank you for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Click like for more videos, and click up here to see our next video. And make sure,